Fun with Henry. Welcome back to Fun with Henry. Today we're opening mystery candy boxes. Is it this or we do this? Ooh. It's from CZECH, Czech Republic. Owls. What's this? I don't even know how to spell that. BB. It's called BB. Flapjacks. Stupid name, BB.
Do you like flapjacks?
Yeah. Oh, now they look like flapjacks mixed up with cookies. Chocolate called. Mania. Cake called Panic. What's this? No, I can't read that when it's joining. Dealy. Why is there only one drink? Relax. First I'm gonna take Sovic owls. Pedo.
What do they look like?
Owls. With us like mini mixed up with candy and lots of different colours. It's a bit hard to bite, but I think when you bite it's gonna be really chewy. It tastes really, really sour. Yeah.
So I'll tell you what they are.
Yeah.
They're fluffy bite bursts of real fruit flavours of sweet banana, fresh raspberry and strawberry. Do you want to try one of the other flavours?
I'll try the other flavours. It's a little bit sour, but it's not sour as the other one. So I'm gonna rate it a middle. The honeycomb one. The wrapper's hard. It's very thick. That's why they always keep some full. It's only one. I thought it'd be like two. And also, it's very thick. Look. So I'm gonna try it. It tastes like honeycomb mixed up with cake.
Does it taste nice?
I hate honeycomb.
Shall I tell you what it is?
What?
So it is traditional Czech gingerbread with honey and an apricot filling as a cake.
Right, I'm gonna rate it a thumbs down. Now I'm gonna try the raspberry one. It might have raspberries in because the wrapper, or might not. I don't know. What is? That definitely has raspberry in.
What does it look like?
It looks like flapjack mixed up with raisins, chocolate, and cherry juice.
Oh, and do you normally like flapjack?
Yes, but I don't like raisins or cherry juice or cherry. So I might hate this or I might not. Tastes like a sweet.
Shall I tell you what it is? Muesli bar, and it's got whole grain oats, wheat flakes, raspberry filling, and you'd eat it for breakfast. Would you like that for your breakfast every day? Why not?
Because it's disgusting. The muesli bar, I'm gonna rate it a thumbs down. Right then, guys, I'm gonna taste the drink. Looks like it has dragon fruit. Now, I'm gonna open it. It smells like lollipops mixed up with raspberry. And then, guys, I'm gonna have a nice taste. La la.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like two lollipops mixed up together and raspberry, like two raspberries, but one of them cut in half, mixed together.
Would you like me to tell you what it is?
Yeah.
It's a lychee flavoured lemonade drink.
Lychee. It's good. It's like a little bit sour, and the fizziness gives it away a little bit. So I'm gonna rate it a thumbs down the skin.
Not a thumbs up?
It's a middle.
Okay.
Right then, guys, I'm gonna try another one. The Claw of Doom. Yeah! It looks like peanut. I don't know why, but...
And what was the name of it?
Dearly. So I'm gonna have a nice taste. Well, I hope I have a nice taste. Looks like those things with chocolate and it looks like cream inside. It looks like one of them, but it might be that. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. There's caramel inside it. I don't know what it tastes like then.
Does it taste nice?
Yeah. This is my first one ever. Thumbs up. Right then, guys, I'm gonna pick the next one out of the claw machine. Next try. Next try. This is your last try. It's like a coin, a big chocolate coin.
What's the name on it?
Fidorka. I don't know how to open it though. Don't open it. I think you rip this off. Oh, yeah. What? It smells like white chocolate. Looks like a kitty cat inside them.
What does it taste like?
A kitty cat, but like white chocolate. Inside this tastes like.
Thin circular wafer disc with white chocolate.
I'm gonna rate it my second thumbs up. Right then, guys, gonna get the next one. I know why it's called BB, so there might be bees that sting, yeah. 2 bees that sting, yeah. That's why it's probably called BB likes baby. I opened it, wow. Just one. I can't believe it's just one. Oh, because they're split in half, like. It looks like a jelly bean that's straight, mixed up with a flat jack and a cookie. I think it's like the chocolate chip. Inside it's crazy. There's nuts in it. It tastes like cookies with a little bit of nut.
Want me to read what it is? It's a cereal bun with whole grains and chocolate pieces inside.
Cereal bun. It's like good and bad. It's like not the best thing in the world, but it's still good. So I'm gonna rate it middle. I like a cookie. Okay, let's go to the last one. It's like, wait, what's inside of it? It looks like. Does anybody know what that is? It's called mean. So someone's getting meaner to this. So it's meaner than you ever know. La la. It looks like waves. It looks like waves right there. I'm gonna eat it. It tastes like mint, and also, you know, from my kitty cat video, I hate mint.
Are you sure? Do you want to take another bite?
Not at all. I'm not taking another bite ever again. That's why it's called Mina, because it's disgusting. I'm gonna rate it a dun dun dun. This book came from the Czech Republic box, and it teach me how to say hello and everything in there. To say hello in Czech Republic, it is, I forgot. So you have to say Dobry, then. So you make up an animal called Dobry, then you have to say den. So Dobry is den. We don't say ease. To say thank you in Czech Republic is Dziękuję. Right then, guys, I'm gonna go from the best to worst. So lemonade, my first, and the cookie Kitty Cat thing is my second, and Dearly is my third, and BB is my fourth, and Pepper I think is my fifth, and the raspberry thing is my sixth, and this is my seventh. The meaning. That's it for today, guys. If you like the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. See ya!